Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the last 3 or 4 videos, we have seen how we can design a layout, how we can insert, display and update record on real-time database using Jetpack Compose library. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how we can delete the information that is available on real-time database. For that, what I have to check, I need only name. So I go to delete here and I need a name to delete the record, because on the basis of name I am creating a child. So I say if as name dot is not empty, I need only name, then I do this, else I have to give toast here that please insert or enter name, like this, name to delete the record. Okay, now if everything is okay, we have a name, then we say my ref dot child and I have to pass here the child to delete, and I say remove value. If value is removed, then on success I need to display something, else we have to take one more function, not else. So dot add on failure, like this, then we have to display toast with a error. So I will display the error, that is it dot to string, and if we have successfully removed, so we have to say record deleted, record has been, or we can say record deleted, simple. So try to run it once again. You see display, we have 3 records, here also we have 3 records. Now I have to give here Dr. Vipin like this, so that would be this one. So I just click on delete, record deleted, then display. So 2 records are there. Remember that we have only 2 records. Now I have to pass Dr. Vipin Kumar, then Sachin Kumar for deleting. So here I need to pass Dr. Vipin Kumar for deleting another record. Click on delete, record deleted, and display we have only 1 record. Right now we have 1 record. So same we are doing here. Remember that we are able to create a key, we are able to insert a record, we are able to display record, we are able to update, and at the final we are able to delete the record from the real-time database using new Jetpack Compose library. So like this we can use it. That's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.